We are pleased to show you the 2018 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, premium wheels, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, speed control, sport package. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.